Welcome to 𝗀𝗨𝗪 𝗧𝗃, the channel where we explore the intersection of real estate and cutting-edge technology. We're all about breaking down complex topics into digestible insights, and today, we're putting the spotlight on a subject that's been making waves in the business world: artificial intelligence, or AI, and its role in boosting employee productivity. Why is productivity important, you ask? Well, it's the engine that drives business growth. More productivity often translates to improved performance, increased profits, and happier employees. Now imagine supercharging that engine with AI. Sounds exciting, right? AI has the potential to revolutionize the way we work, leading to smarter decision-making, streamlined operations, and yes, enhanced productivity. By leveraging AI, businesses can take a giant leap forward, staying ahead of the curve in this ever-evolving landscape. Today, we delve into the top strategies for increasing employee productivity using AI, so stay tuned. To appreciate the role of AI in productivity, we first need to understand what AI is and how it impacts productivity. Artificial intelligence, or AI, isn't some futuristic sci-fi concept. It's here now, woven into the fabric of our daily lives. It's your voice-activated assistant, setting your morning alarm. It's the recommendation engine suggesting your next Netflix binge. It's even the technology helping your car park itself. Simply put, AI is a broad area of computer science that creates systems mimicking human intelligence. These systems learn from experience, adjust to new inputs, and perform human-like tasks. Now, let's talk productivity. In a business context, productivity is about how efficiently an organization can convert inputs into outputs. It's about doing more with less, saving time, and maximizing resources. It's no secret that increased productivity often leads to enhanced profitability. So, how do AI and productivity intersect? Let's imagine a simple yet relatable example. Consider an online retailer with a customer service department flooded with queries. Traditionally, human agents would have to respond to each query, which can be time-consuming and potentially lead to errors. Enter AI. With AI-powered chatbots, the retailer can handle multiple queries simultaneously, providing instant responses and freeing up human agents to deal with more complex issues. This not only boosts productivity, but also improves customer satisfaction. Or consider a manufacturing plant where AI-powered predictive maintenance can forecast equipment failure before it occurs. This allows for timely repairs, preventing costly downtime and keeping the production line moving smoothly. AI is not about replacing humans. It's about augmenting human abilities, automating mundane tasks, and enabling us to focus on creative, strategic, and interpersonal aspects of our work. AI and productivity are two sides of the same coin. When integrated thoughtfully, AI can unlock unprecedented levels of efficiency, accuracy, and innovation, driving productivity to new heights. Now that we understand what AI is and how it impacts productivity, let's explore how businesses are leveraging it. Cool. One of the best examples of a company that has effectively used AI to improve productivity is Amazon. Now, let's delve into the specifics of how Amazon has achieved this. Amazon, a global e-commerce titan, has integrated AI into its operations in three major areas: inventory management, customer service, and delivery. By doing so, they have managed to transform their business operations, resulting in a significant increase in employee productivity. Starting with inventory management, Amazon uses AI to forecast demand, thus helping them maintain optimal inventory levels. It's a bit like having a crystal ball. By predicting what products will be in high demand, they can ensure these items are well stocked. This not only minimizes instances of stockouts, but also reduces the time employees spend on inventory management, freeing them up for other tasks. On to customer service, a function that can be time-consuming and, at times, challenging. Amazon uses AI-powered chatbots to handle basic customer inquiries. These virtual assistants can handle multiple queries simultaneously, and they never sleep. This has led to faster response times and higher customer satisfaction levels. Additionally, it has freed customer service employees from routine tasks, enabling them to focus on complex issues that need a human touch. Lastly, let's talk about delivery. Amazon's use of AI in this area is truly futuristic. They use AI-powered drones for delivery, which not only speeds up the delivery process, but also reduces human error. This means fewer missed deliveries and more satisfied customers. But what does all this mean for employee productivity? Well, with AI taking care of repetitive and routine tasks, employees can focus on more complex and meaningful tasks. This not only increases their productivity, but also enhances job satisfaction. So it's not just about replacing humans with machines. It's about how AI can assist employees, making their work easier, more efficient, and ultimately more fulfilling. As you can see, Amazon's use of AI has significantly improved their operational efficiency and employee productivity. And remember, these strategies aren't exclusive to giants like Amazon. With the right approach, businesses of all sizes can harness the power of AI to boost productivity. Another tech giant that has effectively harnessed the power of AI is Google. Now, Google, as we know, is a pioneer in the tech world, but it's not just about creating a powerful search engine or developing cutting-edge products. Google has also been instrumental in leveraging artificial intelligence to boost employee productivity. One of the ways Google uses AI is in data analysis. By utilizing machine learning, a subset of AI, Google can sift through vast amounts of data at a speed that human analysts can only dream of. This allows their employees to focus on interpreting the results and making strategic decisions, instead of getting bogged down in the nitty-gritty of data collection and analysis. Another key area where Google has employed AI is in search engine optimization. You might wonder, what does this have to do with employee productivity? Well, by using AI to continually refine and improve search algorithms, Google ensures that its users get the most relevant results quickly. This not only enhances user experience, but also reduces the workload on their support teams, freeing them up to focus on more complex tasks. Google's ad targeting is yet another sphere where AI plays a crucial role. Here, machine learning algorithms are used to analyze user behavior and preferences, enabling Google to show the most relevant ads to each user. This increases the effectiveness of the ads, leading to higher revenues. But more importantly, it saves their marketing teams a lot of time and effort that would otherwise be spent on manual segmentation and targeting. But it's not just about efficiency. AI at Google also means better decision-making. When AI takes care of routine tasks, employees have more time to think, to innovate, to strategize. They can focus on what they do best, leading to not only higher productivity, but also more job satisfaction. Google's use of AI not only improves productivity, but also leads to better decision-making and business outcomes. And this, in essence, is the true power of AI. It's not just about doing things faster or more efficiently, it's about doing them better. It's about empowering employees to reach their full potential, leading to a more prosperous and successful business. Now that we've seen how big companies use AI, let's talk about how you can implement it in your own business. First and foremost, you need to identify the areas of your business where AI could be most beneficial. This could be anything from customer service to inventory management, or even in your marketing efforts. Once you've identified these areas, you can start to explore the different ways in which AI can be implemented. One effective way of implementing AI is through the use of AI tools. There are countless tools available today that are designed to help businesses streamline their operations. For instance, there are AI tools that can automate repetitive tasks, freeing up your employees to focus on more complex and creative tasks. But using AI tools is just the tip of the iceberg. If you really want to dive deep and fully leverage the power of AI, you might consider hiring AI specialists. These are individuals who are well-versed in the world of AI and can help guide your business in the right direction. They can help you create a comprehensive AI strategy that aligns with your business goals and can also assist in the implementation of this strategy. If hiring AI specialists isn't within your budget, don't worry. Another option is to partner with an AI company. These companies have the expertise and resources to help you implement AI in your business. They can provide you with the necessary tools and guidance, and can even handle the implementation process for you. Regardless of the method you choose, it's crucial to remember that the goal of implementing AI should always be to enhance efficiency and productivity. It's not about replacing human workers, but rather complementing their skills and abilities. By implementing AI in the right way, you can free up your employees to focus on what they do best, ultimately leading to increased productivity and a more efficient business. Remember, the goal of implementing AI should always be to enhance efficiency and productivity. As we've seen, AI has the potential to significantly increase employee productivity. It's not a far-off concept, but an accessible tool that's reshaping how we work today. We've seen how Amazon and Google have leveraged AI to streamline their operations and boost productivity. These strategies are not exclusive to tech giants. They're strategies that can be adapted to businesses of all sizes. Looking ahead, the bond between AI and productivity is only going to strengthen. As AI evolves, it will continue to transform our workplaces, making them more efficient, innovative, and profitable. It's a brave new world out there, and AI is our compass, guiding us towards a future where work is less about mundane tasks and more about creativity and strategic thinking. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to 𝗪𝗪𝗧 for more insights on real estate and technology.